Follow these steps to add poll in Snapchat story. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now go ahead and select the picture or video or click the picture or video for the background. I'm going to select the picture from my gallery. Once you have selected, now what you have to do is, at the right corner you're going to find different option. Now click on this icon given over here. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option poll. Now ask a question. Now select the emoji. Now you can place this poll anywhere. Then click on send to. Check in for the option my story and then upload it. Now I can head back, navigate to your profile page and check. So this way you are able to add poll in Snapchat story. Clicking on this icon, you are able to find out who has responded to your poll. So this is how you can add poll in Snapchat story. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.